Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Foz and you're watching RideRadar. Thanks for tuning in again. We're back on the Indian Scout 101 today and we continue to modify it and upgrade it. This is a special video today. This is the first time that we're going to be giving away something. Now, it's not this t-shirt. I know you want it. It's a one of one. Thank you very much. But no, this is cheap and nasty. The giveaway is even more exciting than this. So stay tuned and I'll tell you what that is. Let's get to it.
You say, slow down. I don't like to move too.
So in today's video, we're going to be adding this saddlebag to that bad boy. Everyone knows that you need a saddlebag on a bike. In my opinion, when you're out and about, you want to make sure that you can carry stuff around with you. So you get your sandwiches in here, you can get a drink in there. If you need a spare bit of clothes, you can put your clothes in there, some socks, whatever you want, you can get it into that, into that bag. These bags are absolutely fantastic. They come directly from Italy. They're made by a company called Cameo, and I'll put a link in the description so you can go and have a look at their website. Absolutely fantastic. All these bags are handmade. And honestly, when I opened this up, when it arrived, I was super excited. As soon as I opened it up, you could smell the leather. Just the straps, the stitches, everything, the precision to detail is just fantastic. And then you open it up and you've got all that space in there as well. These are super easy to fit and super easy to remove as well. It's just two bolts that sit on there onto a frame, and in today's video we're going to add this to the bike. So on the Indian Scout 101 you've got two brackets there, very similar to the Indian Scout bobber as well. So what we need to do, we need to take these two bolts out and we need to fit the bracket that's come with it. And I have a little helper today. This is Nelly. Nelly, say hello. Nelly, you're going to help us fit this bag today, aren't you? Yes. Okay, right. Thank you for your help, and you can test it out as well shortly. So we need to fit this bracket, so let's get to that first. So this is the bracket that's come with the bag. So that will essentially attach there, and then the bag screws into it there. So we need to set these off first. So let's do that first. Okay, that's two. Right, so you've got the bolt there and there's a spacer. So I presume the bolt goes through there, the spacer goes onto that, and then that and screws into there. Very nice. Okay, let's do the same with this one. So bolt, spacer. Okay, so I fitted the bracket there, and off camera I've just married the saddlebag up to here, but I've got a problem. I need to remove this bag. So if you remember in my other video, I had put this bag on. This is an Ends Curio as well, so beautifully made, same quality item, but the new bag sits across there, which means that I can't then use this because this is obstructing the other one. So I'm gonna have to remove this. Okay, so the bracket is now attached. The new saddlebag is ready to go on. I've removed the one that was down there on the frame so it gives clearance. So let's get this saddlebag on and see how it looks. So really simple. You've got your two holes there where the saddlebag attaches to, and all you do is slide that on there. Beautiful. And clip that. Lift that up, and there's a 13mm bolt and a washer for each one of those. That folds down, that clips on there, that clips on there, and there you have it, a fantastic looking saddlebag, as you can see. Plenty of clearance on that side, and it really goes with the look of the bike as well. Really chuffed with that. Let's see what we can fit in it. So there you go. That looks absolutely fantastic. Nelly, you are not coming on any travels with me. Viewers, that's just for a little bit of fun. Obviously it's not for a dog, but clearly she does want to go, and you're sitting there really nicely, don't you? So there we go. It looks absolutely fantastic. And Nelly, you've approved of it? Yes? Approved. Thank you. So that's it. How simple was that to fit? I just love the Cameo products. And that was as simple as you get, right? 2 bolts out, 2 bolts in with a frame, and then 2 bolts to secure the new saddlebag. The dog even loved it as well, and she definitely approved, the same as I. I love those bags. And onto the giveaway. So I had to remove this. I've had this bag for about 6 months now, and I bought it directly from Cameo. It was about £200, but I'm giving it away to one of you lucky viewers. I'm not asking for any money in return. All I want to know is, what was your most favourite ride, or what is your most favourite ride? Why and where? Add it into the comments, and in the next video we'll do a random selection. We'll choose one of the best. I'll have a little helper that will help me choose, and the person that we choose will win this bag free of charge. We'll post it out to wherever you are, and you can enjoy it. You can put it on your bike. So that's the prize, that's the giveaway. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to give anything away until I get to 15,000 subscribers. So hit that like button, hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and tell them all the fantastic things that we're doing on this channel. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay safe and ride your best life ever. Peace out.